Look at what a mess this plot is. I had forgotten about it and I forgot to spray it, so I'm going to try and resurrect it. There's just a little bit of clover on that corner there. This is my very first original micro plot, but now I just whacked it down with the mower and we'll see if I can revive this one for the fall. Right now I'm way in our cedar thicket, and I was just mowing this road, and I know there's an area in here where the bucks cruise right through the middle of this, so I think I'm just going to open up an opening where if I do want to hang an aggressive stand in here, that I can. Just going to clear out some areas of underbrush, you know, where you could actually maybe get a shot close range. And you never know, it's just a plan B, plan C, plan D. But you got to put your chest moves thinking way ahead. So I'm kind of midstream of opening a pocket up here in this jungle. It's a cedar and hardwood thicket, and it's nasty. I mean, I can barely weave around through the trees, but I might try and get a shooting lane here this way. So we'll set up the camera here and see what happens.
So here's just a quick sneak peek of another land clearing, bush hogging that I did on my friend Doug's 53 acres here in southern Illinois. And of course it didn't go hunky-dory, as is mostly the case. I blew a hydraulic line, blew a tire on the trailer, but this video will be coming out here in the near future. But overall I got most of the bush hogging done and it turned out fantastic, so definitely stay tuned to the channel for this one coming out soon.
While I was in there, I found a really good sized tree that could be a good stand tree, and it's on higher ground. But then I'd have to make all new lanes. So just experimenting right now, just kind of making an opening deep in the woods here. You never know, just for possibilities. I'll keep cutting a little bit and see how it goes.